In this video, I'll guide you through how to check Agoda service fees so you know exactly what you're paying for before you confirm a booking. We'll move through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your Agoda account. This might sound obvious, but it's important. When you're logged in, Agoda can show you the correct prices, apply any eligible discounts, and keep your booking details in one place. If you're not logged in, the prices you see might not be fully tailored to your account, and it can be harder to track your reservation later. So, open Agoda in your browser or app, tap on the profile icon, and sign in with your usual details. Once you see your account name or icon, you're ready to move on. Next, search for a hotel on Agoda just like you normally would. Enter your destination, select your check-in and check-out dates, and choose the number of guests and rooms. Then start your search. You'll see a list of available properties. Take a moment to scroll through and compare options. When you find a hotel that looks right for your needs and budget, select it to open the hotel's main page. On the hotel page, you'll see different room types and rates. Pick the room that best fits your plans, paying attention to things like cancellation policies, whether breakfast is included, and the total price shown for your stay. When you're happy with your choice, proceed to the booking page. Usually this means clicking or tapping a button like Book Now or a similar prompt that takes you into the checkout flow. Once you're on the booking page, this is where you need to slow down and really review the price breakdown. Don't rush through this part. Look for a section that clearly separates the base room price from additional charges. Agoda typically shows you the nightly rate, then multiplies it by the number of nights, and then adds on any taxes and fees. This breakdown is your main tool for understanding what you're actually paying. Now, focus specifically on the listed service fees. These may appear as service fees, booking fees, or similar wording, alongside taxes and other mandatory charges. Carefully read each line so you can see how much of the total price is the actual room cost and how much comes from Agoda's fees and required extras. If you're comparing different hotels, it can help to check this breakdown for each option because service fees and taxes can vary by property and location. If something doesn't look right or the service fee seems higher than expected, you can still go back and choose a different room type or even a different hotel before you confirm. The key is to always reach this booking page and review the breakdown before finalizing your reservation. That way there are no surprises after you've paid. By following these steps every time you book, you'll get into the habit of checking exactly what's included in your Agoda total with a clear view of the service fees before you complete your booking.